Krusty, what are you doing out there alone?
Nothing, Chief. Nothing.
Don't give me none of that nothing stuff. What are you doing?
Well, Big C, I was looking at the audience.
I can see that.
Well, I was looking and wondering why you never got a jukebox for those people out there.
Because we don't need a jukebox. You're the jukebox.
Me? I don't look like a jukebox.
Of course not, nitwit. This is a creative establishment we got here. We're not just gonna let you look like any old jukebox. You see, you and them songbirds and that fruitcake dog and a little man in the kitchen, see? You're all jukeboxes.
You haven't told my mother, have you?
Oh, boy.
Hey, you don't sing like that in New Jersey, do they, Big C?
I certainly don't.